Hey guys, welcome back to Westpac tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can sign up Westpac account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser and search WESTPAC. Then click on the first link appeared on your screen, which will lead you to its website. Then click on sign into mobile banking. Then you will see register option down there. Click on that. Next, to sign up with your Westpac account, there are various steps to be followed, which include providing Westpac with your valid information like card number, first name, last name, date of birth, and your customer ID. Make sure to enter all of the data correctly. By keeping all the real data and following the instruction given by Westpac, your account will be signed up. So this is how you sign up with your Westpac account. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.